Let's just begin kind of at the basics and just what is metabolism? We hear this word thrown around a lot, like, oh, you need to boost your metabolism, or metabolism slows with aging. So what in general kind of is metabolism? Can you give us a definition of that?
Yeah, the way I like to define it is metabolism is the set of reactions that converts everything that we eat into everything that we are and do, and further allows us to repair ourselves. So the first conception of metabolism is fuel to ATP metabolism, oxidative metabolism, where you take in protein, fat, and carbohydrate, you quote, burn it, you use oxygen to oxidize stuff. And if you fully oxidize foodstuffs, then what you release is CO2, carbon dioxide, and the yield is kind of ATP, biological energy that is used to run things, to flex muscles and circulate things and catalyze difficult chemical reactions. That's kind of the first thing that we teach in metabolism, is kind of glycolysis, like sugar oxidation, amino acid oxidation. That's kind of hard, right? Mm-hmm. And then fatty acid oxidation, which is very straightforward, where everything ends up making acetyl-CoA and going into TCA cycle. That's not all of metabolism, because you have to make stuff, right? Everything in your body, unless you have an artificial hip or artificial lens in your eye or something like that, you made yourself. And so really what happens is that we eat food. Some of the food is totally broken down and sort of fully combusted to generate ATP, but a lot of it just goes to intermediates where you remake stuff. And that's where the fun is, really, of biology, is making and repairing stuff. So metabolism is and crucially, electron transfers, harvesting the energy of a high energy electron on a molecule called NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide, is critical, not only for fuel oxidation, where the electrons end up on NADH, and NADH starts the electron transfers to generate ATP, but those same electrons can be put onto NADPH to make stuff. So electron flow is really critical to metabolism. The energy for everything, if we had enough time, we could trace back to the sun and photons getting excited that end up basically growing the plants that we either ate, or the animals that we ate the plants that came from solar energy. But basically, all metabolism is everything you eat into everything that you are, and high energy electron transfers are incredibly important, and they're mediated by 4 NAD coenzymes.